Okay, hi, good evening, sir. My name is Alex. Today I'll be presenting my random user generator app. So, okay, let me just debug it real quick. Okay, so over here, this is my splash screen code. I will have a delay of 3 seconds, and after that, I'll be navigating it into the next screen, which is Gen screen, which is also my main screen. And then I put everything in a container to have decorations and gradients and also color. And I center everything in a child, and then inside of the child I have another child of column, so I can have a main axis alignment. And then under the children I have image size box for space, and then a label over here as you can see just now. And yeah, that's the label. And then I have a circular progress indicator. Okay, and then after 3 seconds you'll be navigated into this screen, which is the main screen. Okay, so I have an app bar over here, label and colored, pink color, and then I center everything in a body, okay, and then inside of that I have a column of main axis alignment, and then I have children and also row. A row is under the children, and so this row is mainly to have these two buttons side by side, generating and refresh side by side. Over here, elevated button as we can see. Yeah, these two. One is generating, one is refresh, and I implemented it in a way that they both have the same function. So if I click generating here, it will display the data, and if I click refresh, yeah, a different data will be displayed. So they both have the same similar function. Okay, and then this is a text field over here, max line of 5, and then I make it into read only. Okay, and then this is my on press function for both of my elevated button. So over here I pass a string HTTPS into a URI object, and then I use HTTP get to request, and I wait for the response, and after the response is done it will be logged into a toString in my debug console, so I can check for errors. And then if the response code is 200, that means everything is successful. So I can then print I have to decode the response body, which is in JSON data format, into the ARY, which is a map, and then I can print out the data over here. I didn't print everything of the user, I just print like important one by using the key over here: gender, name, title, first, last. And then yeah, I can then use a string interpolation over here, so that it's easier to read. And then yeah, for example, I don't have to type \n manually. Yeah, can have multi lines of string. And yeah, so that's basically it for my simple app over here. Yeah, alright. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.